Hey everybody, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Today I'm down here at our new project house and going to do a little work. Yesterday I took out this wall that separates the living room and the dining room, and I got some video footage I'll put in just a moment so you can see how I did that. But this is what it looks like after we got the wall removed. So it opened up this room quite a bit. Kind of gives us an open floor plan for the living room to the dining room. You can see here how far out the walls came. So there was just like a 4-foot opening going from the living room into the dining room. So we got all that carpet pulled out and tore into this wall. So I got some sheetrock work to do. Try to get that matched back up. I got to get these wires relocated. I think I'm going to hire an electrician. And I got several things I need done. So I think I can do it, but I'm not that fast with it. And I think I'd rather just get someone to come down and do it right. Make sure it's done right anyway. Got to get that little piece of 2x4 out. I'm going to do that now. And then I'm going to cut these nails off. And I got to screw that sheetrock up. It's kind of hanging a little bit. I'm going to get in there with an oscillating cutter. And I'll show you that. Zip those nails off and get some sheetrock in there. Then I'll go to pulling this carpet up. Excuse me. This is a tool I'm going to use to cut the nails. It works really good for getting in tight spaces, especially on old construction, just getting in behind things that you wouldn't normally be able to access. This will do it. So I got some metal blades to cut nails and a longer blade that I can get up there and just cut that piece of 2x4 off. So let me get to work and I'll show you how it goes. Welcome back to Projects with Paul.
Good job.
Got all the nails cut. Got the sheetrock all screwed in there. Gonna require some taping and some mudding and some stimpling to match that existing stimple there. Not crazy about that, but there you go. Let's go do something else.